Hey all, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are diving into Jupyter Notebook cell types. There are basically three types which you can see under the menu. So they are code, markdown and raw. So if you go to the Jupyter Notebook, you can see the save icon and copy paste all the icons here. In there you can see it will be default as it will be like written as code. You can expand that and you can see markdown and raw. So whether you are learning Python or data science, web development or machine learning, organizing your notebooks properly is key to clear professional work. So why we need all these markdown, raw code and all? You should make it look like a professional work. So how to format your notebook using markdown? You can show headings, bold, italics, bullet lists, etc. So in this video, we will see the tips to make your notebook more readable, structured and aesthetically appealing. So first we will start with code. That is the default one. And code here is the one where we used to write the code. There is nothing more to tell about it because all the Python codes will be written here and it will be the default one. You can just write 1 plus 1 and shift enter. You will see the answer 2, or you can write print hello and you can get hello, all the result. All these things you can do with the code. So now the next one is markdown. And markdown is used to write formatted text. So this is what we are going to see today. So you need to write markdown to show your coding in a perfect structured way where the other people also will be able to understand the coding. So you can write the comments and you can write the headings with respect to the codings. Now itself, seeing all these notes which are written here, all these notes are markdown. So for writing headings, you can see here, isn't it? I have written 2 at markdown. For writing headings, you have to go to the cell. You have to change the code to markdown and you can write heading means, okay, the font will increase, isn't it? So you can give a hashtag here and a space and you can write the heading and you can press shift enter and this is the biggest heading. Heading still heading 6 you can go. That means hashtag 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to change it to markdown, okay, and till 6 you can go here. The same way you can do bolding also. So you can 2 stars, there should not be any space in between. You can write it as bold and you have to make it as markdown and see the difference, bold and not bold. If you want to make it as italics, just 1 star, we'll make it as markdown, just 1 star and italics. If you want to write bullet list, you can go down to markdown and write bullet and hyphen space bullet list. You can and the bullet list now will be shown here. The same thing if you want to give a link to the Google, you can do the same thing. You can write link to Google and give the link here, and of course the link will be shown here. So like this you can explore it more. You can combine these two also. Suppose if you want to have a bold heading, you can give hash space 2 stars. You can write bold heading. Of course, you should not forget to change it to markdown, and then you got bold heading. I like that you can explore more in this. And the third one is raw. So in this raw, these cells don't get rendered or executed. They are mainly used to write plain text or notes that should not be formatted or executed as code or markdown. So simply if you want to write any text with respect to the code, you can use this raw. So you can just write raw, select raw, and you can write adding 2 numbers. And you can write the coding here, 1 plus 1. You will understand, okay, this is for adding 2 numbers and we have done the coding here. So for that commenting or writing plain text or notes, you can use this. So basically all these two, basically this raw and markdown, especially markdown. They are used to organize your notebook so that in the future you can understand it easily. So I hope this was a helpful video. Have a nice day. Thank you.